Okay, so what about the situation where we're just given the information that you have a rapidly cycling brassica wrapper that has purple stems? So in that case, the purple stems could either be big ANL, or big ANL, little ANL. They're both going to give you purple stems. So the question is, how could you tell? So the way you tell is you do something called a test cross. And so to do the test crosses, what we're going to do is we're going to cross our purple stemmed rapid cycling brassica wrapper to a green stemmed rapidly cycling brassica wrapper. So if we have a rapidly cycling brassica wrapper which has green stems, then that must be little ANL, little ANL. So just as before, I'm going to make big ANL abbreviated to big A, and I'm going to make big ANL, little ANL abbreviated to big A. That's little a, and then little ANL becomes little a slash little a. Okay, so let's just do these crosses kind of in our heads. Let's assume to start with that our purple stem plant is big A. So in that case, we can set up our test cross, and the gametes can only be big A, and down here the gametes can only be little a. So if we set that one up, then we would put big A, little a down here, and we would see that 100% would be purple stemmed. That is if the purple stemmed parent was ANL slash ANL, the uppercase ones. Okay, so now let's see what would happen if we make the assumption that our original purple stemmed rapidly cycling brassica wrapper is big ANL, little ANL. So in that case, we've now got the situation where the gametes could either be big A or little a. So let's do the Punnett square for that one now. Okay, so the gametes from the green stemmed parent can only be little a, but now the gametes from the purple stem parents could be big A or could be little a. So let's put those up here, big A, little a. So now when we fertilize these gametes, what we would see is we would see 50%, that's 1 out of 2, 50% would be purple stemmed, but then 50% would be green stemmed. So we can make two predictions. First of all, if this original parent up here that is purple stemmed has the genotype big A, or big ANL, then 100% of the offspring will also be purple stemmed. On the other hand, if this purple stemmed parent up here is big ANL, or big A, little a, then we would expect to see 50% of the offspring being purple stemmed and 50% of the offspring being green stemmed. And based on those results, we could make a conclusion about the genotype of the purple stemmed rapid cycling brassica wrapper.